beer. What is this thing called? What is this called? A beer and beverage tower. So I'm about to put it over here with this, in my beverage station. Definitely gonna keep the box. So I'm just gonna sit it here and then drop that there. This is what you put in the freezer to freeze. Do it come out? I guess not. You put the whole thing in here, I guess. Yeah, you put the whole thing in there to freeze. And then you prop this up. And then you just let it go. You can go backwards. You can go backwards. And you can go frontwards. And yeah. And you also can put whatever you want in here. You can put punch in here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice. So yeah, that is his beer and beverage tower. I'm keeping the box so I can store it when I want to. So it's my hot chocolate station. I got tea. And yeah. Hold on one second. Alright, y'all. So I put some tea in here. I already had coffee. And some pumpkin spice tea. So I already got the tea. Got the coffee. And then I got pods in here. Margarita mix down here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take it out of the box and sit it up there. All right, y'all, I think I am done with it so far. I gotta get that pot from down there and load up my wine. Well, I'm finna get it now. Ooh, y'all need to see how I look. Hold on. So far, it is looking awesome. I got cups up there, my little container from Amazon for my sprinkles and stuff like that. Marshmallows. I'm gonna put all that in there. And then I got my frother. I got the cup. My little Nespresso machine. And I also got margarita mix. That. So, yeah, I got the pitcher over there, the hot chocolate, the muddler, my wine container holder. I got my cookies cutters back there, the tea kettle down there, and some more containers. I got my ice bucket, silverware holder, and then I put these green pleated glasses I got from Aldi's. I put them beside his beer and beverage tower. And it goes up to 88 ounces is the max. All the way down to 16 ounces. 32, 48, 64, 80, and 88. And yeah, and then I got the mixes. So yeah, I am ready for the holidays. We have tea, we got coffee, we got a beer tower, we got hot chocolate, we got the wine holder. Yeah, we are ready for the holidays. I just gotta get some more wine, get him some beer, get my sprinkles and peppermint sprinkles and bark and all the goodies. And that is that. And this is how the living room is looking from this direction. All the animals are lying around, enjoying my clean living room that they mess up. And then this over here, like everything has turned out exactly the way I wanted it. Everything, I just need to get me a new shade, which I'll be getting this week. My ornaments I'll be getting, the topper I'll be getting, some cotton for over here I'll be getting, and I'm going to get a new shower curtain, a new rug, shower curtain rug, and some towels.